So let's make this beautiful piece together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what you can do with your A4 paper, whether just laying around, you don't want to trash it, at the same time you don't know what to do with it. Here's one way you can put it into use. So I have my glue. This is top bond, and in this container I already have a consistency mixed down for light gluing like paper like this. And then I have my A4 paper, I have my other glue E6000, I have my ribbon, and this ribbon here is waterproof, and I have my skewer, I have my scissors. So I'm going to fold this paper now into a skewer or whatever form. I'll just fold it out. You can actually fold it out in other forms depending on what you want to do with it. This is just one way I'm showing you. So while I'm folding this, I keep my hand really tight because there's nothing that is holding this paper together. It's just my hand, and so if you don't hold it tightly, it's going to be losing and your fold wouldn't stay in place. And then apply the glue at the other side of the paper. Normally I like to apply a large portion of it to make sure that it holds my paper firmly, and then after applying I still hold on to it tight while I roll it down to the very end. Continue the same process until you get your desirable result, or you get the desirable number of whatever you want to use it for. If you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing and join the family as we're bringing you amazing DIY content and ways how to put your waste items into use. I have different items I'm wrapping it with because I didn't want them all to look the same. I have different shades of gold. I also have silver. I pattern it differently because this is how I want it to be. I do not want it to have one look. I just want you to look at it and see different shades of gold and even few silver on it. So after having all my skewers together, I'm now joining them together, and before this process I already take measurement and cut all of them to be equal. So right about now I'm joining them together, and for the record, everything I use, all the material I use in covering my papers are all waterproof, so when or in case any water come in contact with this, it doesn't affect the paper underneath. I just want to say thank you for those of you who are watching this video, and for those who constantly come to check and see my other videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you for liking, and thank you for those who even try to drop me comments, and I'll appreciate more. You can see me checking for a design to cover the edges. I really don't know how to go about that. I'm just checking and come to conclusion of using this to close up the edges, since the edges can be left open, or if you're going to leave the edges open, there's something that should be done on it so it comes out really clean. Okay, so I'm just covering the edges, and I'm going to have all of them covered like this.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run.
In my collection I have flexible mirror, which is what I cut in pieces to cover the edges. I also have reflective re- reflective mirror that's in gold color. I have crystal buttons. Those are the things I'm gonna be using to design it. But right about now, I finish up on the edges. I'm about to set it together to become one piece. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do now, and I have to turn it over to the other side so the design will come out perfect afterwards. Here it is. We join it and turn it around, and right now I'm looking for position to have my crystal buttons and my reflective mirror. Since I didn't already draw this down, I was just working at random, but surprisingly it's just check here, and it came out well. I'm not a very organized person that like to put down every details of my things before I start working. I just prefer to keep working and see what comes out of it. And my oh my, this came out really nice. I wasn't expecting this, and wow, I really surprised myself that a paper, A4 paper could do this. Let me tell you, this camera is not doing justice to what you're seeing right here, because when I say this is cute, it really is cute, and it can fit into any part of your house. And wow, I'm even thinking of using it for a headboard, and it wouldn't be bad. Bye guys.